course, for the last few months, I've been starting to get a lot of neck pain, and it's not going away. I have to twist myself around until it pops. I'm especially having a lot of pain at night. I can't seem to figure out how to sleep so that I'm comfortable. I end up having to roll a towel under my neck. Other nights, I sleep on the crook of my boyfriend's neck. It's driving me insane. What can I do?
To answer Italia's question, we have Dr. Kate Savage. She's an orthopedic surgeon from the Los Angeles Orthopedic Surgery Specialist Group. So, Italia, you're laying down right now.
Yes.
And you think specific things you may do in your life cause this neck pain, right?
Correct.
Kate, what can we do to prevent this from coming on in the first place?
Well, I think Italia has two of the most common causes of chronic neck pain, the way she sleeps and the way she sits at work. The number 2 reason to go to a doctor is neck and back pain.
So what can Italia do when she's sleeping at night, other than probably not best to spend the entire night sleeping on your boyfriend's shoulder?
Exactly. Although it looked very romantic, it's probably not going to do her well during the daytime. As we see when Natalia's laying down right now, her head is crooked forward. The neck has a normal curvature in it that we want to maintain in every resting position. So this pillow is up too high and it's causing her head to go forward. If you're a back sleeper, you definitely want to have some support in your neck to recreate that curve. There are ergonomic pillows out there that definitely can recreate that curve for you. You can do this with a normal pillow at home. So we're going to change this on Italia. And this one recreates the neck support. So you want the little bit of a lift underneath your neck and your head to actually go into the crook of the pillow. If you're a side sleeper, you want to maintain the neck in a neutral position all the way down, so your pillow might need to be a little bit higher. If you lay on your belly when you sleep, no pillow at all. Any pillow is going to hyperextend the neck, and you're going to lose that curve and put too much strain on your muscles.
What is the best position to prevent neck pain? Is it back, side? Obviously not your stomach.
Yeah. The stomach is one of the hardest ones to keep because you have to put your head to the side or you're not going to breathe. The stomach is a hard one. The back is good if you have one of these pillows, but most humans and most of us are side sleepers. So side sleepers just have to be really cognizant of their pillow and keeping their head up neutral, not one way or the other. And pillows do wear out, so you need to change your pillow. So you may start with one that's great, and it wears out after a while. You got to get a new one every couple of years.
And the other place where we spend most of our time, Italia, you sit at a desk?
Yes.
So a lot of us do, and typical posture I have?
Yes, and you can see he's doing all the same things wrong. This is one of the typical ones, or the leaning forward into your computer. Again, you want to maintain the whole entire spine in its normal curve. The lower spine has to have a frontward curve, as does your neck.
Are you saying this isn't the normal curve?
No, this is not the normal curve. It would be comfortable for about 15 minutes, and then if you had to sit there for longer. Best way to do it is actually start at the lower part of your spine.
Okay.
By putting a rolled up towel, that's going to create the lower curvature in your spine, and it's going to make you have to stay up neutral. The top part will follow.
I got a phone call. Sorry, Kate.
Yeah. And this was one of the other things we saw with Italia in the video. The crooking of the neck to the overside and multitasking is one of the worst ways you can put your neck. So headphones, headsets, speakerphones, so you keep your spine neutral. The other thing with your computer screen is to have that at eye level when you're using the computer. Now, a lot of us have these laptops, so it looks like this is going to be a difficult problem. Just put books under it. None of this has to be expensive. Rolled up towels, books, keeping everything in a neutral alignment so these muscles don't have to work.
And do your cuddling before you go to sleep?
And do the cuddling before you go to sleep.
Thank you, Italia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kate, for being here.
Thank you.